I'm crossing my arms. Maybe it's not visible. What's your thinking pose? I feel like we are having fourth convert. Did I just open a new segment of this, whatever it is, fourth sessions? I feel like we're having a fourth conversation. You know, when the kids, I didn't did I experience this? Maybe not. And maybe it's just something that I saw in the movies. You know, when the kids, they are having sleepovers. And of course, they don't really sleep a lot because they are kids. Unless the adult comes in, then they will pretend to be asleep. They set up this fort. Then they have this little with them or some kind of, and they just talk all night or something, or draw or I feel like this is the same what we just started in here. This is pants. This is just like the color of my skin, because if I noticed that if it's like this, then it looks like my leg. This is pants. There's no indecency in this video, except for the things that I'm not saying. Anyway, during our last breakfast there, I think that was the part where we had the time to have these discussions, because the first days you're just kind of getting used to each other, or the routine sort of that we had during the vacation. And because we had free passes to the water park, right? So we always we went there every day. And some other things like the cooking, the Netflixing together, or but yeah, during the last breakfast, we tried the breakfast in the hotel just to experience it. We stayed there for a bit, and then we had this discussion. It was about a lot of things. I think it began. I think I am the. It began when I asked, "Do you also sometimes feel like you're a bad person?" I think, yeah, that's what I'm really conscious about my teeth. Maybe please excuse me. So I asked one of them, I think maybe because the other one is still taking something from the buffet. Are you here? Yes, you're there. I asked one of them, and I said, do you also sometimes feel like maybe you're a bad person, maybe you're just not self-aware? And then it began, I think it's where the web of complexities began, because we went on many different it began there, and then it went to different. For example, I can say examples. We went on how a lot of the things online impacts you, even if you know yourself really well. And then it just and then we discussed how everyone is copying each other, like the people our age is copying what the young people are doing. We discussed it also, and my perspective on that is that, well, there are gifts. I think I've said this before. There are gifts with every age. Kind of feel like an art exhibit of a human being, year 2025, having some kind of identity crisis. Maybe this topic is not ripe enough. Yeah, maybe this topic is not ripe enough. So we can just eat something together. I don't know, should I disappear?